we're going to be starting out with NYX Glitter Base. I think it's Glitter Base. I don't know. I always leave it down in the description box below. So anyway, I'm taking that, putting it all over my lid, and then I'm gonna go in with the per usual Ulta's Fair Neutral, that color, down on the bottom, and I'll put a piece of tape. Because I wanted it kind of like that look right there, sharp. I can't think of what you call it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So next, I'm taking in with the color, I don't know, Hollywood Crazy. I don't know how to pronounce it. By Coastal Scents, and cutting out my crease-ish, and I'm just taking it and blending it out. I'm taking a little bit of that, as well as, I believe this is called Magenta Pink by Coastal Scents, and I am blending it out, buffing it out, busting it out, so that way it's not as whoosh. And I'm making a, I don't know, what do you call that? I don't know. I'm putting it on my outer crease, but then I'm making a line. I don't know what y'all want to call it, but it's going to be something pretty. I don't know. Next, I am taking, I gotta find a palette, hold on. Found it. Next, I'm taking Makeup Revolution's Fierce as Fire, and there's this beautiful dark purple shade, and I'm going in and I'm buffing it out and putting in my crease, as you can see right there. You see that? Yeah, I'm doing that right there. Yeah. So I'm just going back in with that same brush that I used before and making sure everybody is blended properly, honey, because you don't want a bad blend. So once they're blended, I'm taking, once again, that gel brush and some concealer, that same color concealer, and I'm cutting the crease, which is completely different from my other eye. So if y'all notice that, don't say nothing, because yes, I know that there's two separate cuts. Leave me alone. Okay? I know. Alright? I noticed it when I did that. I noticed it and I said, fuck it then. Okay? I said it then. Y'all wants to leave me alone. Okay? Y'all gonna leave me alone. Dang. I know. Alright? I know. Anyway. So, once it's finished, I'm going in with Makeup Revolution, that same palette again, and I'm taking, I don't know what number this is number 7. They don't have the names on the back of them, but I'm taking number 7, and I'm putting it on, I'd say, 2/3 of my lid, and then once I have made it as, I don't know, sharp as I want it, whatever, I don't know, I'm going to go in with City Limits palette, and this, I don't know, this is a cute little palette. My mom got it for me for my birthday. I'm taking Drop Base, and I'm putting that on the outer corner, as well as Fierce as Fire. I'm taking both of them, but you honestly, sadly, cannot tell. And you cannot tell at all. I mean, you could tell it made it a little bit darker. Fierce as Fire made it a little bit darker. Excuse me, Fierce and Fire made it a little bit darker, but it didn't make it super dark. I don't know, y'all. And then I'm going in with Maybelline's. This is their liquid lipstick. I don't know. I know it's in the color 15. Once again, I'll link that down below so that way y'all be able to see. But I'm going in with Maybelline's. It's a lipstick, and I am busting out a line. I keep saying busting out. Y'all ignore me. Anyway, so I'm taking that and I'm making a line, and then I'm going on top of it with that Magenta Pink. To set it, because it never dries, so I'm going in over top of that with that Magenta Pink to set it. Once I've done that, obviously, the next step would be to just put on put on mascara and lashes, which are always the same lashes, because I'm not a big fan of different lashes. More power to everybody else, but for me, I like wispies, mink wisps. That's just and actually left in me putting my lashes. What? Don't ask me where I got these pair of tweezers from, because y'all will never be able to get them. And I do mean that. You will never be able to get them. And it's not because it's like they were limited edition, as in you won't be able to get them. Okay? So don't ask me where I got them from. Okay? Cool. I'm going to shut up now so y'all can finish watching the rest of the video. Bye. short amount of time. I know, baby, I know. Anyway, all I'm doing is taking those same two colors that I took before. The that I think I actually know. Like, yeah, no, I actually took the Hollywood. No, what color is this again? This is magenta pink and a little bit of the Hollywood crazy or crazy, and that color from the other palette, and just put that on. That's all that I did. I didn't do nothing special. But as y'all can see, I'm just putting on lipstick, which I will leave down below. This is it. This is the final look. Yeah. I hope that y'all really enjoyed this, because I actually enjoyed making this, because you know all of my colors are always dark. So yeah. I went light. I think I want to go light today. I think I want to film today and go light. Oh no, we'll see. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, that was it. That's all. I really do appreciate you for stopping by and watching my video. Anyway, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I shall see y'all later.